Good morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever and whenever you are. My name is Ben, and welcome to this short update for my YouTube channel. You might be surprised to see this video. I haven't posted in a little while, and there are a couple reasons for that. I'm going to go over both of the reasons. The first reason is I just needed a break, and I still need a break. I'm not going to be doing more videos, at least for a little while. And the second reason is somewhat related to that, which is YouTube feels broken to me. Something about it is different from when I first started. There's a lot of factors that go into that: the algorithm, more competition, AI. There's a million things. I already have a video talking about AI, and I got a lot of comments from you all talking about different things that can affect it. YouTube seems to be focusing more on short form content, and I'm not interested in making short form content. I've always been more interested in making long form content. But even then, the reason I started this channel was to market games, and making games has always been the thing that I've wanted to do. But I kind of fell into the tutorial creation space because it was doing well, and it gave me a job that I could do. And I love teaching as well. But ultimately, I want to get back to making games. And this break from YouTube has been good for me, and I plan on continuing it. The second reason for the break is that I made a game. Many of you know that I've been working on Wazard. I'm still working on that, but the scope is too big. To put it bluntly, I've got to figure out some stuff with that project still in order to get to production. I think I just overscoped it, and that's something I've been thinking about is kind of this idea of a game dev flywheel. And the first revolution of the flywheel is just extremely difficult, even on a smaller game. And if you don't have momentum built up from a few releases, getting through that first game can be too hard for a lot of developers. And even though I've released 3 games up to this point, well, I guess more like 2.5. But even though I've released a few games up to this point, I feel like I lose a lot of the momentum. I'll release a game, and then I'm doing course content and doing other things, and I lose that momentum. Anyway, that's a little bit of a side tangent. Point is, I made a game. I made a Substack post about it that's a devlog for the entire game, and I show some of the early prototypes I made, like a gameplay prototype, some visual tests that I was doing, scene of the crime. It's a murder mystery detective information game. Takes about an hour to maybe an hour and a half to complete, usually, from the playtests that I've had. So it'll be cheap on Steam. If you buy it, play through the whole game, and don't like it, you can just refund it. No pressure. And so these prototypes are interesting. Like, this was a feature prototype here. This was some visual tests with some paid assets that I bought. And then here's production. I kind of set out a calendar. I did it over the holiday break, and I've been working on it since then to polish it up. I polished up the writing. There's a lot of writing in it. And I polished up the visuals to add some visual variety. Made some of my own assets, had to modify some of the assets that I'd purchased, kind of created a texture palette, and put a lot of time into learning about lighting the scenes and making things look interesting. I'm pretty happy with how the visuals turned out. I think there's some good variety here, and maybe some places to improve still, but happy with that. And I'll be releasing a Steam beta. So if you're interested, you can send me an email, and I'll put a link to this Substack and my email in the description and in the pinned comment. I'm also looking for work. if you want to reach out to me via email, if you have work opportunities that don't involve new AI companies, I'm not interested in that. I'm also not interested in doing anything with sponsoring this channel. So those are two things that I'm not really planning on doing. But if you want to hire me for contract work, or you want to hire me as a consultant, I do those. And then I'm also open to programming jobs. It would probably have to be remote work for me, but those are some of the things that I'm interested in. I just want to say thanks to everyone who supported me with this channel. This YouTube channel has been a huge, just an amazing part of my life. And even though I'm kind of taking a step back from it for now, and I don't know what the future is going to look like as far as my upload schedule looks, what that's going to be. It'll probably be, hey, I made a game, here's a video about it, or here's a trailer video. I'm not planning on doing any more tutorial content. I guess it could change, but I'm not planning on that. But it's been such an amazing experience for me to be able to have this YouTube channel and interact with all of you. And so this is my second take too. I got emotional in the first one, but this one's going up. I'll just put this one up. I just want to say thank you.